All right, let's dive in. Today we're talking about a fascinating piece of tech that's quietly shaping our digital world. It's called sentiment analysis, and it's all about how we teach machines to, well, read our emotions.
I mean, just stop and think about it for a second. Every single day, we're creating this absolute mountain of text online. Product reviews, social media posts, customer feedback, comments on news articles, you name it. It's a tidal wave of opinions. So the big question is, how on earth can anyone, a business, a researcher, anybody, actually sort through all that noise to find what really matters?
And that is exactly where sentiment analysis comes in. You can think of it like a special kind of tool, one that's designed to read the entire internet's collective mood. It's not just about what people are saying, but about how they feel about it. So the formal name is sentiment analysis, but you might hear it called opinion mining, which is pretty descriptive, right? In the simplest terms, it's teaching a computer to read a chunk of text and figure out if the feeling behind it is positive, negative, or just kind of neutral. Now, of course, it's not always that simple. Human language is super tricky, full of sarcasm and context, but the core goal is always the same: find that underlying attitude. And this is where the difference in scale is just staggering. You or I, we could read maybe a dozen reviews and get a gut feeling about a product. But a machine, it can chew through tens of thousands of them per second. And it does it all while removing our own personal biases to give a precise, data-driven score. It's really the difference between a guess and an actual measurement. So how does this actually work under the hood? It's not magic, I promise you, and the basic idea is surprisingly simple. Let's actually walk through a quick practical session to see exactly how it's done, step by step. Okay, so we'll use this sentence as our little test subject. It's a perfect example, really, because it's got mixed feelings, which is, how real people actually talk and write reviews. The new phone has an amazing camera, but the battery life is disappointing. At its core, the whole process really breaks down into 3 simple steps. First, the system scans the text and identifies keywords that carry some kind of emotional weight. Second, it gives each of those words a value, a score. And then finally, it just adds everything up to get a total score for the whole sentence. And this is where it gets really, really powerful. By following those steps, we're systematically turning all these messy, subjective human opinions into clean, structured data. So let's see what that actually looks like for the example we just used. And here you go. This lays it out perfectly. The algorithm spots the word amazing. It knows that's a positive word, so it assigns it a score of +1. Then it finds disappointing, knows that's negative, and gives it a -1. Add them up, and you get an overall score of 0, perfectly neutral. Now, keep in mind, this is a very basic model. Real-world systems use huge dictionaries and can even learn that very amazing is a lot stronger than just amazing. Okay, now imagine doing that not for one sentence, but for millions of them. All of a sudden, you start to build this incredible big picture. You can visualize all that data, like in a simple bar chart here, and instantly see the overall breakdown of opinion, what percentage of people are happy, what percentage are unhappy, and who's just sitting on the fence. So this is all pretty cool from a technical standpoint, but why does it actually matter? Well, the real-world impact of being able to understand feelings at this kind of scale, it's a total game changer across dozens of industries. I mean, think about it. Businesses use this stuff to monitor their brand's reputation in real time. Product teams are sifting through feedback to figure out what features to build next. Market researchers can see if a new ad campaign is a hit or a total dud, almost instantly. And even customer service teams can use it to automatically find the most frustrated customers and help them first. It's everywhere. And here's the number that really puts it all into perspective. Experts estimate that around 80% of the world's data is unstructured. It's all just text. It's in emails, social media posts, support tickets, reviews. Sentiment analysis is one of the main keys we have to unlock all the value that's just sitting there, hidden inside all of that language. So really, that's what this is all about. It's so much more than just counting up positive and negative words. It's about using technology to understand the nuances of human experience and what people think, but on a scale that was just never, ever possible before. And all of this brings us to a really fascinating, kind of mind-bending frontier. As these systems get better and better at understanding nuance, things like sarcasm or context, the line between just reading words and truly understanding what we mean gets blurrier and blurrier. So the real question is, what happens next? As we get better at quantifying human emotion, how is that going to reshape our world? It's definitely something to think about. Thanks for diving into this with me.